What's up, my woodies? Welcome back. It's me, Sunny. Today, I've got a very unconventional use for my gyroscopic screwdriver. We're gonna use this baby to do my toenails. So to do this, I have the Dremel bit adapter. Since I am doing gel nails, I'm gonna need to buff off my old ones. I picked up a few extra Dremels just to see which one works best. I've never done this before, so you are going to experience this with me firsthand. Let's get these toes out and get going. First, we have to pick a color, and no surprise, I'm going with pink. So far, this is working really well. I'm not showing you my toes though until they're painted. Can't see them naked. So next up, we're going to add a base coat, put them under the light, and then add our color. I'm excited. Okay, they are done. Ready for the reveal? Ta-da! And the best part is, with these nails, they're already done. I can put my socks and shoes on and they won't get messed up. Overall, I think it worked pretty well. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 as a nail tool. Thank you guys so much for doing toes and tools with me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any questions, nail requests, or you just want to see more content, hit me up in the DMs, and until then, have an amazing day.